Hey there everyone, it's Connor from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide. So, today we're going to open up some more stock. You ready for this? I've got something here that I think you might be a little bit excited for. I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're just going to crack into it. Always cut away. In here we've got the Little Hero Silver 1 ounce. Now these have already completely sold out, but if you have placed an order, luckily for you, they're coming out, they're going, we're going to get them shipped. They're going out to each and every one of you that have placed your order already. But let's take a closer look. So there you have it. This is just a quick video telling you guys that we got these ones in and they are getting shipped out to you. So if you have placed an order, it's on its way to you. If you missed out, keep an eye on the store, but we do have some gold. So if you want to get this design in the gold, go for it. Go check it out. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.